In this video, we are going to learn how to work with the freehand tool and also how to add materials. The freehand tool is often used by landscape architects. It can be used to create different kinds of artificial urban landscapes and many more organic shape objects. Now let's look at how this tool actually works. This one is a little bit different than the other ones. First, you need to click and hold on your mouse button while you're drawing with it. Let's make an artificial landscape design with this freehand tool by just drawing some free shapes. Make sure to click and hold on your mouse button while you're drawing with it. As you can see, these faces are in gray, so you don't need to reverse them. And after that, let's just push-pull this one by one. Now we can add some landscaping materials. Let's look at our default tray. Click on Materials. Let's search for landscaping materials. As you can see, there are different varieties of materials available. In order to apply it, you can just click once here, and after that you can just click on the faces where you want to apply it. Now let's look for another material. For the vertical surfaces, you don't need to uncheck this material in order to apply another one. You can just click on the next one and then just apply it. And there we have created this beautiful landscape design.